We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make energy bites. First, add 1/2 cup of hot water. Then 1/4 teaspoon of flavor extract and 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of spices of your choice. Then add 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats and mix those well into the water until it's absorbed. This will soften the oats a little bit. Now add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, coconut flakes, dried fruit, and then 1/2 cup of nut butter. Then spray your tablespoon, add your honey or liquid sweetener. This could be maple syrup, honey, anything that sweetens it up. And when you spray that tablespoon, it should slide right out. Then mix it all together. And cover and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Help it really stiffen up. Now you'll use your portion scoop, which is the best tool to scoop out your energy bites. We've put them on some parchment paper here so that they won't stick and we can roll them together easily. Now just rolling them into balls. That way they're easy bites on the go. If you want to go the extra mile, roll your energy bites in some finely chopped toasted nuts or seeds. Make sure they're toasted, that way they're crunchy and have delicious flavor. It also keeps them from sticking together, so it's a nice added touch. And also a little more nutrition and protein. Again, you don't have to do this extra step, but it is delicious. Okay, now you're gonna store them in the refrigerator. Energy Bite Perfection. And check out the recipe in our description below. Always cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.